What's going on, guys? Back with another quick video. Not feeling too well today, but first things first, we got orders to put out. Gotta wait for the mailman to come pick them up. Mailman's got a lot of stuff to scan in today. All right, so until we get our pump today, the only plan is to try to fix this fuel line if it's possible. I mean, I don't even know if it's possible at all. And that's pretty dingy. I don't know if that's possible, guys. I had to dig the O-ring out of this, and I was gonna hit it with a little WD-40, and I'm a little desperate, so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna call Harley Davidson today and see if they have a fuel line there. I'm assuming that these fuel lines, I mean, it does have a part number. Hopefully something else in the freaking dealership actually shares this part and it's not like super expensive. I'm gonna try to hit this with some parts cleaner. Still got some vinegar in here, so what I'm gonna do with this, oh, did it come out? Oh shit, it came out. It came out and I didn't even see that. I'm gonna hit it with some of this hit it with some of that vinegar. These are the old injectors. All right, guys, that is the spring. And then what we're gonna do is I'm gonna spray this with some cleaner. I'm gonna use this Q-tip. Try to clean out as much as possible.
A few moments later.
All right, so there were some things that I didn't do on camera because my GoPro died, but I was gonna try to do it all on camera and try to get y'all guys to kind of see that. So I went ahead and instead of using the old injectors for the bike, even though I didn't necessarily clean them correctly, I didn't hook them up to a battery and leads to try to get it to shoot out or anything like that. So I just went ahead and replaced them because why not, right? I replaced all the other fuel system, so I should have just replaced that. So I went ahead and took this off like we saw in the last video. I reseated the, I cleaned out the Y pipe here that the injectors sit in. I went ahead, installed the injectors, and because I cleaned this, what I'm hoping is, I went ahead and cleaned this morning. I'll put like a little short video clip of me trying to do that. I reseated or put a new, what do you call that? Metric O-ring in there. to replace the old one. So I don't want to wait. Well, I'm probably gonna have to wait. I ordered another one from JP Cycles. It's supposed to be here on Monday, but I just kind of don't want to wait. I want to see if this thing can actually run. So I'm gonna get the tank on here and, you know, eventually see if this thing is gonna run. So I'm gonna let you guys come along and see me kind of just reinstall everything. But I'm really hoping, I'm just hoping that this thing actually runs, man. I changed the oil yesterday. What else? I changed the oil. Once the bike is running, hopefully today, I'm gonna let it run for a little while, let this transmission fluid get hot. That way I can drain it and put more in. I need to add more brake fluid. I might end up having to bleed the brakes since it hasn't been used in so long. And so, let's see. We are on the part right here where I got the tank down. I actually had the tank hanging up there where those hangers are. I had them hooked up to hang after I was gonna say moisturize, but after I sealed the tank, I wanted to hang. And the reason why I wanted to do that is because I wanted all the excess sealant to kind of form down at the top of the tank right here, while it was hanging upside down like that. And once it did that, I was able to get it all out before putting fuel in there. So that worked out pretty nice. Getting this thing in there, however, though, the fuel pump, getting that fuel pump in there was a pain in the butt. I will slightly blame the company, slightly. Hopefully everything matches up correctly, but the holes seem kinda iffy. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I got this in and I'm hoping if it doesn't work, you know, I'm just gonna have to wait. What I should have did, honestly, I shouldn't have put this on the tank yet. Should have just did this over here on the bench. And we want to line up our joker machine.
A few moments later.
Ooh, I like that sound. I like that sound. All right. It lives. It lives. And so that's my only concern. I think it's time to go with some new tires. So we'll see. But anyways, appreciate you guys for watching through the build. I love it. Peace.